Hello partners. Now you have already completed the most important factors like getting a API key, uploading and configuration in a server. Then you completed your product, pricing strategy, OS and also knows how to order and how to deliver a service. But if everything seems to be a very easy, there should be a catch. And this video is the same. Sometimes we might need to do some activities manually. Sometimes we has to deliver a server, maybe customized server. Maybe he asked for a trial, we given a trial, or some cases we give a trial, but you have not placed the order from your side. And in that case, you might able to say that I want to continue the same server. So that time we might have to manually configure the API in your WHMCS. Wait, don't worry. This is not at all complicated. Yes, in our next videos, we are elaborating more about how the big customers, how custom requirements or upgradings, downgrading, offering a better solutions and scaling our business can be done. And for all of them, we might has to do some manual activities while delivering a server. And this video is about the same. So you can able to say this is a core video in this series. Let's start. First, always be connected with your account manager. His responsibility is to help you and give you what best can be done for your business. So you can use our pricing strategy video to add your margin and offer the same services to your customers. Here, the key thing is when we say our system and your system connection, so that time the concept comes is manual or automated API connection. In last video, we have seen that 90% of cases you can able to simply pick our plans and deliver a service with a fully automated way. But in many circumstances, you might have to do manually. Manually can be done in a two ways. So you can say custom servers API can be done two ways. First one, API allowed services can be configured. A second, manual services. You might able to get confused. Let me share. API allowed. Let me help you to simplify. API allowed means 80% of services which you purchase from a dedicated core can be configured as it is into your system. And that is called as a API allowed services. So in that, user can able to perform operations like start, restart, operating system installation and all. So this is called as a API allowed. In other cases, let's say user purchase a huge dedicated server. So dedicated server might not able to configure API because they has to do some manual operations like start, reboot and all. Because technology is still not evolved, so they can able to handle 100% of API systems. We are not talking about our systems, it is global systems. So in that situations, we might have to do manual delivery. We will show you in this video both the ways. We will take one example for manual delivery. Let's say user want a USA dedicated servers and he purchased this server from you. So in that situations, this server may not have an API connection, but you can able to sell to your customers. Okay. And for the live demonstration, please wait, we will show you in this video only. And second example, suppose user purchased this plan. So that can be easily configured into your system. That is WHMCS. I will show you that as well. So only two concepts. One is manual configurations. So here only two concepts are there in manual order placing and updating. First one is API based and second one is manual. Moving further, we will divide into two main parts. First, product creation. Let me show you how you can able to create a two manual order delivery products. Go to the system settings, product and services. Wait, one concept is still remaining. In API allowed, there are two concepts. First one, we already have this plan, means existing plan configured into your WHMCS. And second, custom plan configuration into your system. Both I will show you first, and then we will move forward for the manual. First, we'll create a product and we'll explain. Okay, let me create one product for API based. Here, untick this, click on hide because we don't want it to show to the user. Why? Because this is a custom plan. Why? What this plan is? Let's say one user come to you. He asks you something which is not present on your website. Now he is asking how to place an order. So in this case, ask him to register on your website first. And after that, you can able to use this product, create order that we are going to show in this video. Okay, then go to the pricing, recurring, add something big number, let's say $300, $900, $1,800. It is just for the illustration, so add something big number. Pricing setup. Now go to the module. And here just simply scroll down and choose custom server API and click on save. In custom requirements, we have already explained all about this concept. And because of that only we are creating this how to manually deliver API based and non-API based product. And this product we are creating for the API based connection. API based has two parts. First one, already you have product, so how you can able to connect. Second, custom servers, how you can able to connect. Second, custom servers manually you can able to deliver. So these three concepts we are going to explain. And if you have OS, then configured it. It is not required. Or if you wish, you can able to customize it. But in my case, I will not recommend you, or maybe not required. So click on save. So our first case completed. What? Custom product created. Now we will create manual custom order. In this case, again same. Here, this name is only for the demonstration. So you can give name like your website, like Hyperly Pro, Hyperly M. So likewise, here don't choose any module. Keep hidden and continue. After that, you don't need a domain name. Keep hidden. Set pricing as like previously we did. Done. Scroll down and save changes. Now in front of you, custom pro and custom M. Let me change the name. It looks good. I changed the name. Pro means here API has been connected, here it is not. and already existing one is this one. So I will show you all these three examples. Let's start with first demonstration. We'll explain one by one all these three concepts. First concept, you have already a product, how to deliver manually. Let me place, this is your user control panel. So let me order one product. Enter this information, continue, check out. I will place the order and click on continue. Done. Let me refresh it. The payment has been completed and I will go to here and it is showing a pending. And you can see that user has already paid it. We can place order by clicking on this and this, but this video is showing you how you can able to do the manually. I will click on this. Suppose this product is already you received. Now you wanted to update here. Let me go to the domain racer dashboard. And suppose this is the product which you would like to connect with this product. Okay. So this is our case number 1, where existing product we are connecting, existing order we are connecting with the API. Okay. Let me open this. And simply you have to copy this number. Go to your product, that is a product page, and just simply scroll down and enter here dedicated core service side. Try not to do any mistakes here. If you already assign this product to someone else, if you assign to him as well, so both can able to access. Try to give the right service to the right customer and click on save. Scroll down, click on update details, and magically you can see that this product is now connected with your system. Only update your password and deliver a service from here.